Hey guys, welcome back to Epic Juma 60 and in video AJ represents. Cool. Okay, I can make the weirdest sound ever. And please subscribe if you like them and think they're real. Okay, so first bicycle horn, next a bird sound, and third a hilarious joke with a bicycle horn sound. Ready? Go. Now, first sound. That is really me. No kidding. Okay, next sound. Now, finally, the last joke. The last joke. Forget the past, you can't predict it. Forget the future, you can't predict it. Forget the present, I didn't get you wrong. That's all for today's show. Hope you guys liked it. It was really hilarious. And this is just us two, aka Animal Jammers. So we will make more videos coming out next month or season. I don't know. But please enjoy this video. Leave a comment below or subscribe to you guys. See ya!